as you can see there was some layers in the ice, and now we're going down into the family habitat. And yes, this is very, very big, and there's no fish in it due to the low deposits of oxygen. Now, as we're going and descending back through the ice, you can see more layers and layers since the GoPro is tilted at a different angle, and you can also see that there is also some habitat parts that people have put in during the years. What type of thing is that? GoPro.
Isn't it responding? You can use that stick if you want.
Here's a time lapse of the burning, shot on GoPro. The GoPro is at a pretty dangerous angle and was about to get torched, so I had to move it back.